Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over 3x squared minus x to the power of 4. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We put number 3 in here and 1 over 3 in here. Next, we can do about factorization this one. So you will go about x squared, open the bracket, 3 minus x to the power of 2. Next, on numerator, we can put about 3 minus x squared plus x squared. 3 minus x squared divide 3 minus x squared and x squared divide to x squared. You will got about 1 minus 1 over x squared, and we have 1 over 3 minus x squared. Next, about this one, we can put about the square root of number 3 minus x multiplied with the square root of number 3 plus x. So on this way, we will put about this one plus this one. Negative x plus x, they will cancel. Square root number 3, square root number 3, you got about 2 with the square root number 3. So we need to divide 1 over 2 multiply with the square root number 3. This one divide this one, and this one divide this one. So you will get about 1 over the square root number 3 plus x and 1 over the square root number 3 minus x. Now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over x squared, you will got about negative 1 over x. The integral of 1 over the square root number 3 plus x, you will get about ln of absolute value of this one. Because we have the negative next to x, you got about negative ln of absolute value of this one. That's the end. Thank you for watching.